Moon one.
Or what do you really want? So let us just see.
Yeah.
Okay, so
The same.
yeah, so it is the enhance the leadership of construction. Also maybe it will be good. I suggest that you will phrase it in this way. The leadership of the construction workers are enhanced. Are enhanced in this instead of like two. Yeah? Okay,
Just
can you do it?
enhance.
Yeah.
Ano yung doon yung apply ko
Enhance
The leadership, yeah, the leadership of, because that is more of a title. If you say enhance leadership, the leadership of the construction workers collective, the leadership of the are enhanced. Yeah, so the leadership.
Leadership of the construction
Yeah, because when are enhanced in mitigating the negative impacts. Are enhanced to mitigate the negative impacts of construction in 16 months. Or like in 16 months, you can start also with in 16 months. In 16 months. Okay, so everyone here first, so that we'll be working together. We'll be coaching each other, yeah? Okay. 16 months, the leadership, comma.
In one plate down,
To mitigate. Okay. And then can we move to the next? So it's co-coaching, yeah?
Can we see again the
Yeah. Okay, so
16 months. We review the same.
the time,
Or enhance. So the assumption here is they already know the negative.
no, that is what they are going to know, right?
Yeah, but there's already to mitigate the negative.
Mitigate.
impacts. If there are negative impacts, if there are, so
mitigate.
yeah, because it
Okay.
seems
Unless you can be direct, like because of course if you will understand the impact, then necessarily that you will also work for mitigating, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a good point.
So you can
Are enhanced to understand the impacts of that's right, to understand. And then in your data collection questions, then you will also be raising
because
the
we are-
question of the how to mitigate. So are enhanced to understand the impact, to understand. Because your data collection, your main research question is about the impacts.
Impact,
Anyway.
Understand
The impacts of automation. Okay. So can we go? So is this still your your main research question? So it's still good, yeah? Then and then okay. So let's just check your no, not yet. Your main research your main research question. What is the impact? Is it just one, or what are the impacts?
So how many minutes we need?
No, it's not. We are only starting with.
Yeah, so how many minutes we have to be clear with you?
So we might be needing like 15 minutes per organization. So 45 minutes in total.
That's true. Because we
Yeah.
have to have lunch break.
Lunch
And then
break.
Or just tell
One na
us
lang
what
muna.
time, yeah. Or maybe we can work with.
with one, and
What
then
time
have
is it
lunch.
now?
12:15.
What time is it now?
12:15.
12:15. So maybe we can
12:30
just
ang lunch.
finish one, yeah, and then come back for the two others. Yeah. What are the impacts? And then can we go to your main research topic? The impacts of automation. Okay. Now let's go to your power map.
Sorry. here we have women workers, the collective women workers, and the women workers on different sites. And then we have male workers, and these are also women workers who are trained. These are all safety officers, other NGOs and networks, and engineers in the two departments of the construction. We are all builders. So we have categorized. We have taken 3 builders. So PSP, Kaviratna, and German Reality. So we mapped out according to the levels of.
So maybe you can also because if you're putting it here, that means that their level of participation may. So who are your main actors? The
So
women
basically,
workers.
women workers of the collective,
Okay.
women leaders of the collective are here.
Okay, so what are these below the women
These
leaders?
are because we talked about the factories. So they
Are there also workers?
they're also workers, but we haven't approached them. So we have no, and they are inside the factories. So very.
So inside where these are working.
These are construction leaders,
Yes.
collective leaders.
But what are the use of this in your in your FR? What are they? Why do you?
Okay, I'll explain. So here, these are women workers from these 3 sites, from the sites. These are women leaders of the collective. And these are women workers we haven't approached, but we want to talk to them. The workers who are working in those AC and prefab factories. We mentioned about
And they
the-
will be.
They are processing the construction
Yeah.
because of the
So
automation.
they will be involved in the process.
Yeah, but we haven't. We don't know where are they right now.
Hi, okay.
So we want to approach, but then we don't know about the support and. But as in they'll be supported, but right now we don't have a network of
Now, for these NGOs, you will have to be very specific about which particular NGOs that you are going to.
Okay.
So, on any, you cannot just say community or NGOs or officials, but you have to be very clear who they are, right?
Okay.
So, even for the officials, what kind of officials is it? The mayor? Is it the?
Okay. So I'll just mention it here with 2 NGOs we will be working with.
Then can you do like not the nominations because if I'm
Here I will mention it and then.
Yeah, so you have to specify. Okay.
So these are the 2 construction. NGOs working with construction workers.
So that means that those are the ones in place of NGOs. It is the name of the NGOs that we see in the power
Yeah,
map.
okay.
Okay. All right. So can we move to your theory of change? Now your theory of change, everyone. Yeah. Let us see if they are written in change language, right? So yeah. So let us see if they are written in change language. So this is guiding us, right? This is guiding us because this is our impact objective. It's leader. How do you call
Now I
it?
have to
It's
change
leadership.
with negative.
Result.
Negotiate to impact just to understand. Because we.
So enhanced leadership. The leadership is enhanced, right? So it's remove that one. Where's the enhance? Enhance. Okay, here. Oh, the leadership is enhanced. Okay. So let us look into their capacity building. Appreciation of the framework and principle of FR. I think that is checked. And then increase capacities of women to understand the structural issues. Check. Stronger leadership of women workers and community leaders to negotiate. Okay. Yeah, check. Progressive mindset about gender norms, labor. Yeah. Now, maybe later, because the way that you have expressed is okay, there are change language. You can actually, the next step that we will do, we'll not be able to do it here, is to see what you can consolidate.
Okay.
Yeah? What you can put together. So, for instance, appreciation of FR framework and principles, this is also where you do, where do they, about their skill as co-researchers. Okay. So, is it part here? Or should you need to specify a capacity building change because they will necessarily have that skill to be able to participate, right?
So we want the skill. And then what will be the change?
So, for instance, here it is understanding more on the framework. How about the skill? So, yeah, how about the
Capable
skill?
of-
Understanding
so
and
capable.
doing, we
Yes,
able to
and
do
are able to apply.
Apply the-
Yeah, so maybe that is the what you need to so they will appreciate, but they should be able to apply.
Apply.
So can you put that
Yeah.
there? Yeah. Yes. Or maybe you can, or it's difficult to.
It's
to-
just because
Uh-huh.
appreciation of the framework and principles in the
Then
and to apply.
Yeah, and to apply.
And to be able to apply.
Mm-mm. Be able to apply in the data collection and analysis. Okay, and then you can improve. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
How to call it, improve. Let's just put the essence, right? Okay, so can we look into availability of, instead of saying availability of resources, is have been made available, because it's supposed to be changed. If you state it that way, then it becomes an activity, right? Yeah.
For example, availability of IC materials and this.
Yeah, that is not. So you have to change the formulation of your statement. So for instance here, resources and research, the impact. Okay, that will be your final,
Data,
right?
evidence,
After,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
But the prior, for instance, the materials you need for your capacity building, this one?
Yeah.
In understanding, okay. So IEC materials are made available. Are made available. IEC materials on the issues of automation and etc. are made available. Are made available. Are made available. Okay. So how about, so in that way you can also be changing, yeah? Like for instance, if you think that there is some language that you need to change based on the discussion here, and then for the advocacy opportunities, it will only be advocacy that we'll be doing during the data collection process and then producing the evidence, yeah?
This is with the government department and the association.
But then you still don't have your evidence here, right? Yeah, you'll be creating another, how do you call it, theory of change when you will be doing your advocacy. So you don't have yet the evidence, right? So you'll not be doing this yet. You'll only be doing this after you have produced the, right?
Because in the timeline also we mentioned after May and September, so the 6 months.
Yeah, but that's still your data collection. Yes, until that's still the first stage.
Okay.
That's still
I
the
thought
first
we
stage.
mentioned advocacy in 6 months later.
Yeah, later, but we will create another theory
Oh.
of change for that. Yeah. Sensitization of government to improve the conditions. But in any way, you can just keep it, but then
Later. Because 6 months, yes,
later,
we are not.
yeah, later. And then movement architecture, develop recommendations to mitigate the negative. So instead of, so that it will appear as, you'll be, it will be a really movement architecture. That means that you have put together networks, maybe you will have to state it that way. Networks are, how do you call it, are convened, okay? Networks are convened to develop recommendations to mitigate, okay? So networks are convened or formed.
Networks are there. It's there.
Oh,
it's there.
they are already. So all,
okay. So
all they have to
convened.
do is create the
Meet them.
space, yes. A convening space.
We wrote consultations and
Or networks are convened to discuss about mitigation.
to develop recommendations to mitigate.
Right, yes,
Okay.
yeah.
And I'll rephrase.
Yeah. Yeah, can you do it now?
Labor network rights network are convened to develop recommendations to mitigate.
And then design a campaign with, okay, a collective campaign is how to call it, designed or formed or
Because
what
we want to
action
launch.
word do you want to use? Design a campaign, because
Design and launch a
design a campaign is
Yeah.
activity, but then you have to formulate it in a change language so that it will appear as it will come as a change. Yeah.
Should I just
A campaign is collectively designed by the network, right? It will be the network.
and the Women Workers League Collective.
Okay.
Network will make recommendations, but overall in terms of outreach and
decide.
continuous process.
It will be the women construction workers.
Leaders, yeah. So,
Okay, women workers.
can we just say
have,
launching a campaign? It's
No,
not
they
an
have to
idea,
design
right?
first
Yeah.
before they launch, right? Okay, women have designed. Women workers are capable of designing and launching. Launching is only the beginning, right? But then it has to be
And on capable
So,
of designing
of
and leading.
designing and leading the
Leading.
campaign. Yay! Okay, that is a change language.
Campaign. So we just
About,
remove this with increased awareness about the
yes,
impact.
in mitigating the impacts. In mitigating the impacts.
Capable.
Mitigating the impacts. Okay. And then okay, now sisters, for the two other groups, if this is the theory of change now, then you will do numbering, yeah, because this is the one that we should be seeing in our critical pathway. So what comes first, what is the change that should happen first, and then the second change that should be happening, and so on until you reach your impact objective.
right
So
now
can
I
we
have it
can we
but
see
then,
your critical pathway? So we base the milestone from the revised one, yeah. So we should be. So can
But we'll have to go.
yeah, can you go to number 5 first? Okay. So my suggestion is, because your impact objective is up, right? So you put your impact objective here because that is where we are heading. So can you change it? Instead of like going down, you go up. So
From
you're
the movement
from bottom to up. Can you do it that way? Yeah.
But
Yes.
we'll have to.
And then we have already, so life is easy for you already because you have a clear theory of change.
Yeah.
So it's a matter of putting the milestones in your critical pathway. Okay?
Does it mean, Bernie, the first thing that should happen should be on top?
No, that's
last-
why I'm
the
saying
movement
that it
target.
should be going up.
So
So
the
for
first
example,
thing
this-
here will be
Yeah, something
Yeah,
like
so that
develop
it will be like that.
recommendations will come.
Impact objective, right? So it should be like that. So you start first milestone, second milestone, third milestone.
going up.
Instead of like you doing it that way.
So I have okay.
Just change.
So if something like this,
You just change the
order.